Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is peach. I can read contracts when my hair's ruby. I can serve you food when my hair's maroon. Cause having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional.
I use color to express myself, to stay as true to myself as possible.
It just lets the world see a little bit more of who you are inside or how you might be feeling.
You can dye your hair if you wanna dye your hair. Here I go, I'll say it again. Having colored hair doesn't make you one-dimensional. Having colored hair doesn't make you one-dimensional. I can play my games when my hair is green. I can be a mom and a ninja too. I can play the sax when my hair is blue. Cause having colored hair doesn't make you one-dimensional. Having colored hair doesn't make you one-dimensional.
Colored hair makes you feel young. Hopefully it makes you look young.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unconventional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unconventional.
This is my color, and this is how I'm gonna express myself.
I'll march down the street when my hair is pink. I can check your vitals in any shade. I can wear the rainbow at any age. Cause having colored hair doesn't make you unconventional.
It's empowering in a way. It just allows you to be yourself.
Can be a CEO when my hair's two-toned. I can do both, of course, hello. I can be creative and still handle business. Cause having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Colored hair won't make you unprofessional.
I'm gonna do my hair the way I want to, because once you get to know me, you'll see the real me.
No, my natural hair don't make me unacceptable.
Pink is for everybody. Color is for everybody.
It's gonna bring beautiful new energy to your life. Just do it! You're gonna love it!
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional.